The purpose of the role of the Kairaranga is to support e manaaki whānau through the process of Oranga Tamariki.
It's about prevention of entry into the statutory system and to provide the whānau with a pathway to make decisions around the well-being of their tamariki and mokopuna.
One of the functions of the Kairaranga is the facilitation of hui ā-whānau. It is around the process of whanaungatanga. It is around bringing the whānau together to hear their voice, to understand and to see the potential of whānau to come up with their own solution.
I think the Kairaranga role is pivotal to the transformational change that we are looking for within Oranga Tamariki.
We can see and we have been able to evidence or demonstrate how this can actually build the order of whānau.
It's pivotal to be able to engage our whānau. It's pivotal to be able to role model the engagement to our kaimahi. And it's been very successful in better decision making and better outcomes for whānau Māori. And that's feedback that's come directly from whānau. So they feel they have a voice, they feel they are listened to, and they feel they are empowered to look after their own.